So the first part of the home buyer kit that I provide to my clients is this neighborhood affordability chart. So I've taken all the more desirable neighborhoods where people are moving into, that articles are being written about, and talking about what is the median price for those areas in terms of a home price. So I've indicated their walk score, their transit score, and including the appreciation that has happened from last year to this year. Everything is ranked as to what are the more affordable neighborhoods compared to Seattle's median home price. So you can really see what the prices are when you're looking at certain neighborhoods. Part of that includes my home buyer kit. So I've gone through and I've indicated what are the key components to be a home buyer, what you need to do, get your pre-approval. What does escrow mean? What does that process look like? How long does it take to go all of that? What are all the components to it? What areas to look for information about me? So this is part of just the intro to be able to work with me as a home buyer.